Did you have goals for 2020 that involved leaving your home? Yeah, me too. Okay, we're going to reassess those goals and set new ones that you can actually achieve while staying at home. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about your goals, how COVID has sort of upended them all, and what we can do about it. So you probably set yourself some resolutions in January. Do you remember what they are? Have you written them down? You can go and check and look at them now, or maybe you just have goals that you want to achieve this year and they're sort of in your head. So we are at the end of the 5th month of this year. 3 of those have been inside, but anyway, that's a big chunk of this year gone. And now it's time to reset our goals for the other 7 months. Now in just a second I have some questions for you, but first I want to tell you how I've been adjusting my goals to fit our new reality. I wanted to travel so much this year. I had so many places that I wanted to visit and so many things that I wanted to do. I wanted to do more craft new teas live in a tea room with other people, but it's not gonna happen. Not anytime soon anyway. So I had to switch gears and I decided to go with my kits. So here's a little sneak peek of some of the things that are going in the kits. So if you want to know when these kits are going to be available, then sign up at the link below. You'll even get a free set of stickers. I'm also really excited about having a holiday at home, and I have a really fun video coming out in a couple weeks that'll explain that a little bit better. Those are my goals for me for June. Okay, now it's your turn. Let's get to those questions. COVID-19 came in like a tornado, took all our goals and resolutions, and just sort of made a mess of the whole thing. I have some questions for you and I want you to answer them honestly and really think about them. So go grab a piece of paper and a pen. I'll wait here. Okay, are we all set? Let's go. Now after I ask each question, hit pause and really take a few minutes and write down all of your thoughts and everything that you can come up with. I want you to really brainstorm answers to these questions so that you can come up with a really good set of goals for you for the rest of the year. Okay, let's go. In this situation right now, what do you need to do? And I don't mean what you should do. What do you need to do? Think about it not only financially, but also health-wise, and what you need to do to feel good right now, because it's a crazy time. Maybe you need to do something to distress. Maybe you need to slow down. Maybe you need to get some more money and you need to find a new job. Think of the question this way. What do you need to do to feel good about this situation right now? Okay, hit pause and go. Okay, number 2. What do you want to do? Now this relates to number 1, but it has more of a dream quality to it. I want you to really dream big. What do you really want to do right now? Maybe it's just take a nap or go shopping. Start there and then keep writing until you get big ideas of something that you really, really want right now. Okay, hit pause. Okay, number 3 has 2 parts. Now, before this lockdown, what have you always said that you would do if you had extra time? Now, if you have had extra time during lockdown, I know some of us, it was either you had all this extra time in your hands or you were busier than ever. So if you did have all that extra time on your hands, were you doing those things that you promised yourself you'd do if you had extra time? If not, why not? Was it anxiety or more the fact that you realized these aren't the things that I want to be doing with my spare time? Or it could be something completely different. Okay, hit pause and write. Okay, and number 4 is, do you need rest? A lot of us, like I said before, are busier than ever and just go, 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 plus all the stress and everything else. It's a lot. If that's the case, you need to think about self-care. I'm going to send you to this video here. It's last week's where I talk about having a slow down day. And there's also this video here if you're a mom for self-care, just for moms. Okay, so do you need rest? Is it all too much? Hit pause and write. Okay, now what I want you to do is to hit pause again, and I want you to read through all your answers and pay attention to the things that you wrote that really jump out at you, that get you excited, that make you want to do more or think more or write more about that one thing. Circle it, highlight it, I don't know. It could be 3 or 4 things, it could be 1, it could be 7. Doesn't matter. Just have a look at your answers and notice what jumps out at you. Okay, hit pause and go. Okay, this next step is the fun part. What you're going to do is look at one of those things that you've circled and figure out what the first step you can do towards that goal. That's your new goal. That's what you're going to do starting in June. So write that first step in your planner. Even if you don't know what the next steps are, they will come to you as you start working towards this goal. Let me know in the comments below if you remember your original resolutions from January or not. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. You can do that here by clicking on my little face, and also hit that notification bell so you know when my videos come out. Here are 2 more videos that I think you will like. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.